Hey, some hair. Welcome back to the channel. Oops. We're going to be doing Danger Zone. This one is 9 shots of yellow tails to spring flowers. It is very, very reminiscent of, what is it? Bursting satellites. It's also the same shape, actually. I do this with 2 hands. Ay. Yeah, so it's a round cake as well. Ugh. So for this one, peel back the fuse. Made in 2024. Oh yeah, it just says the same thing. I know for the Danger Zone and the bursting satellites, there's a big circle plug of clay to keep it down weighted, and then all the mortars are on the side there. What does it say on the side here? Shoots tails and floral bursts up to a height of 40 meters. Spectators must be a minimum of 80 meters. Again, yeah, twice as far. Easy enough. Let's go do it.
You're forgetting that in the previous part of these videos, we've already looked at the entire product packaging.
Ready?
Actually, you know what? Let me get back. Ooh. Yeah, go right ahead. Did I see what I thought I saw?
Yeah, one exploded like 10 feet above the ground. Personally, I don't mind that if they all go off.
I want to see what the hell happened. It just blew off the paper completely. Oh! It exploded out of the side. Well then. That was fun. Thanks for watching Danger Zone. As always, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.